Welcome to Magnolia, the Mississippi Alliance for gaining new opportunities through library information access, searching in EBSCO databases. In this tutorial, we will show you how to do a basic search in an EBSCO database and highlight advanced search features such as limiters and Boolean search. Most of the subscription databases you can access in Magnolia are powered by EBSCOhost. These databases include, but are not limited to, Academic Search Premier, Computer Source, Environment Complete, Legal Collection, Newspaper Source, and many others. Most EBSCO databases use the same standard interface and graphics, so it's easy to take your search skills from one database to another. If you learn how to use one EBSCO database, you can pretty much use them all. There are also databases in Magnolia that have customized interfaces for their topics, such as Business Source Complete, History Reference Center, and Novelist. While they don't look the same as other EBSCO databases, they still have the same bones underneath, with the same tools for advanced searching. Now, let's do a sample search in Academic Search Premier. This is a good one to start with because it's a general knowledge database that covers a variety of topics. If I were to do a search for catfish, for example, it would give me some suggested options. However, it seems it's leaning towards catfishing in social media, as in dating, but what I want are things about actual fish, so I'm going to add the term farm raised. As you can see, I have 151 results, including citations, from a variety of resources, including magazines and academic journals. If you look at the limiters on the left, I can limit my search further. If I want, I can select only things that have full text attached, and I can even adjust the date of publication. So maybe the last 10 years. Further limiters include subject, source type, publication, language, and more. If I go to advanced search, I'm given even more options, including document type and language to limit with. Another way to limit my search is using Boolean operators, or the words and, or, and not. For example, if I were to do a search for catfish and tilapia, I would get a fairly small amount of results because all of the results would have to have the term catfish and tilapia in it. However, if I searched for only catfish or tilapia, that means the results should have either catfish or tilapia or both, which expands my results. A third way to search is an exclusionary search using the Boolean operator not. So if I wanted to take out all of the dating on internet results, I could say catfish, not dating, and that would bring me only things about actual catfish and leave out anything about catfishing through dating on social media. Now let's look at one of our results. If I go to the Catfishing of America from U.S. News, the report, this gives me the full record including the subject terms that it's listed under, industry codes, and an abstract, or a short summary of what the article is about. I can also get the article in two different formats. In HTML format, I can actually listen to the article being read to me. If I go to a PDF, it gives me the exact image of the article as it would appear in print. For more information or assistance, go to the Contact Us page, where you will find our phone number, email address, and inquiry form, as well as a list of frequently asked questions. Magnolia is funded by the Mississippi Legislature, Mississippi Department of Education, and university libraries, community college libraries, public libraries, and school libraries throughout the state of Mississippi. For more information about Magnolia, visit magnolia.mstate.edu.